So I'm just up here chilling on what I assume is Chateau Rock, up here approaching Pot Mountain, maybe on Pot Mountain. It's kind of funny, I'm sitting here because I'm trying to give a moment for my left nut to let go of my right nut, if you know what I'm saying. The precipice here is large, steep, and it's a rock. No mercy. So I sat down because I'm not as young as I used to be. The view is stellar despite all the smoke. Couldn't imagine what this would be like on a sunny spring day. Probably covered in snow, but sunny summer day, how's that? I don't know how far we're going. I'm looking at another rock outcropping, which I assume to be Pot Mountain Peak, but I don't really know. I know I'm on the right trail, don't get me wrong. But today it's just about fleeing. And I decided that getting somewhere is about arriving. Fleeing isn't about a destination. Don't get me wrong, it's okay to have a destination in mind when you flee. I do. But that's not the point. So I'm headed that way, but I don't know how far I'll get. We'll find a good spot to set up camp. We'll pay attention to where we light a fire, how we do that. I hope it works, but just so it's on record, I'm not going to put the forest at risk over this. We're at risk enough. Here, have a look. Did your sphincter go?